Welcome back to our weekly market wrap-up. After a 2-week decline, the Indian stock markets rebounded this week, with Nifty crossing 23,900, boosted by a strong Friday rally following positive US labor data. So stay tuned, and by the end of this video, we'll unpack the key drivers behind this recovery and what you need to know moving forward. This week, Sensex rose by 1.9%. Nifty gained 1.5%. Mid-cap index increased by 1.6%, and the small-cap index edged up by 0.4%. After a rough couple of weeks, the market rebounded, helped by positive global economic data and investor sentiment improvement. The rally was driven by positive US labor data on Friday, boosting investor confidence and leading to a solid week close. Despite ongoing inflation and global concerns, this rally offers optimism for the week ahead. Let's take a look at this week's key economic updates. In India, the HSBC Flash India Composite Output Index rose to 59.5 in November, signaling the fastest expansion in 3 months. The services PMI also increased to 59.2, up from 58.5 in October. On the downside, the manufacturing PMI slightly dropped to 57.3, indicating slower growth in that sector. In the US, weekly jobless claims dropped to 213,000, reflecting continued strength in the labor market, while retail sales rose by 0.4% in October. But inflation is still a concern, with U.S. import prices rising by 0.3%. Among this week's top gainers, Vijaya surged 17.5% on a strong outlook. Paytm rose 17.1% after a target price upgrade by Bernstein, and Nationalim gained 16.8% following stellar Q2 results with a 5-fold PAT increase. On the losing side, Honasa plunged 39.5% due to a Q2 FY25 net loss. Adani dropped significantly, with Adani Green falling 29.4% after cancelling a bond issuance amid bribery allegations. And Adani Sol fell 26.2%, following fraud charges against Gautam Adani and others. Looking ahead, the domestic market may react to Maharashtra election results on November 23rd, while large-cap stocks could stay in focus after recent sell-offs. India's Q3 GDP data, projected at 6.7%, along with infrastructure output figures, will be released on November 29th. On the global front, key events include the US FOMC minutes, core PCE price index, and Q3 GDP data scheduled for November 27th. Additionally, the euro area inflation figures and Japan's consumer confidence data are set for release on November 29th. The upcoming economic reports will be crucial in determining the next market moves. Subscribe to Tikona Capital for more insights and wealth-building opportunities from the themes of the decade. Visit us at tikonacapital.smallcase.com to explore thematic investments in the Amrit Kaal. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next week.